Oh, and tonight we're making a very special pizza pie with my assistant, Paisley. Hi, Paisley. Actually, her name is Luigi, right? Is your name Luigi?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to make pizza pie. So, she says, as we push our mustache on her face a little bit harder. Very nice job. How old are you?
5.
Oh, I thought you were 15.
5.
You're 5, okay. Do you like thick crust pizza or do you like thin crust pizza?
Thick.
Thick or thin?
Thin.
Thin, okay. So we have a little pita bread, right? And we have a French bread. So I do thick crust, you do thin crust. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, you take the brush and you use it like this and smear, smear, smear. Go. Smear it all around. We make a little pizza. We get some ingredients from the refrigerator. We have a little pepperoni, of course the mozzarella cheese, a little marinara sauce. We have some peppers, and we have some onions and some ham, and 2 kinds, of course, of our cheeses. Ooh, the butter looks very good. Could you do my side, Luigi? Very nice. Is it fun being Italian with our mustaches on?
Yeah.
I think that's very fun. I sprinkle a little garlic salt on the crust. How about that? Lots of butter. Very nicely done. Luigi, you're very good. Lots of butter, get lots of butter. We do this too. If you want to get quickly. Ooh, how's that? Smear it around. Very nice. Put the little garlic salt on there. The garlic salt on there. Okay, okay. Give it a little. Luigi, very nicely done. Very nice. I moved your mustache. Very good. Okay, that's good. Put your brush down. How about if we use a little bit of red sauce? Yeah? Use your spoon. Put it all over. Put it on the, yes, very nice. Big spoons full. Keep going. Put it on there too with you. Oh yes, spread it around. Do that one now too. And we'll put it on your pita. So the pita will be our thin crust. And the French bread will be the thick crust. Let's put it on this side too. Very nice, Luigi. Very good. I mean, Paisley. There we go. Okay, what else do you like on your pizza?
Cheese.
You like cheese? Okay, put your spoon over here. Let's do a little cheese. Now you put it on your thin crust pizza. Oh, very nice. Lots of cheese. Do you like pepperoni?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. We do a little pepperoni on this little pita. I'll put some on over here. There's a little extra
It's
sauce.
not sticking.
That's okay. Oh no, we have to have our mustaches stick or we are Italian. Did you know that?
That's why I'm pressing it.
Oh, good idea. Okay. Mine has lots of extra sauce over here, but that's okay. How about,
Time for the pepperoni.
I like that idea. Go for it. I'll put a little ham on this side. Okay? This
I like pepperoni.
This
on
one
mine.
can be for Daddy. Okay, this one can be for Papa. We'll put some onions on his. He likes that. Doesn't he like onions?
Yeah.
Okay. If not,
I put 4.
4. Okay, what kind of meat should I put on this one? Should I put pepperoni on that? Yeah? Does Papa like that? Very nice. Oh, yes. Let's go. We can use anything we happen to have in the refrigerator that little Luigi's at home might like, right? Yeah? Okay, I think that's good. Let's put this in the oven. Push your mustache down one more time. There you go, and we put it in the oven. Here we go. Ooh, let's check our pizza. Ooh, do you think it's ready? Yes, okay. Yeah, over there. Very hot. Oh, this looks very good. Oh, Luigi, aren't these beautiful?
Yes.
Yes. Here is your thin crust pizza. Ooh, that looks lovely. Here is the thick crust with extra sauce. And this one, lots of meat on that piece. Okay. Let me get my mustache one more time. Let me get yours. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, let me cut it. We're still Italian, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I will cut yours. Nice crust. Very good job. Do you like pizza?
Yeah.
I'll give you a nice little piece. It's very hot, so you have to blow on it, okay? Simple pizza. All we used was a little bit of a pita bread, a little bit of sauce, and the thick crust we make with a little bit of French bread. So far, so good, right? Okay, you wanna give it a try? Pick up your pizza. Right like that. Grab it. Okay, let's give it a try. Take a bite. Mmm. Mmm. Luigi, did you like our pizza?
Yeah.
And that's what's for supper. Push my mustache up. Oh, thank you very much. Okay. Okay, good job. Pound it.